Paano maging successful? Paano? How? Oo. Tanong mo yun, di ba? Okay. Pero paano nga ba? Dedicate the time. Read books to improve yourself. Okay, yes, oo. Be inspired, motivated, and determined. Okay, yes, oo. Personally, I do not yet reach that goal. That dream of mine. But soon it will. Okay. Okay, paano maging successful? Okay, pour all your efforts. Your time, oras, at panahon. Be successful as you should be. Okay. Paano maging successful? Write all your thoughts, your dreams, your once in life. Okay. Paano maging successful? Saan mo ba gusto maging successful? Sa work, office. Gusto mo ba makatapos ng high school or college? Gusto mo na makapagtrabaho sa dream job mo? Okay, paano maging successful? May hardships kang madaraanan but you could make it through. Wake up. Tell yourself that you are all right. Okay, oo, yes. Say it to yourself that you are okay. Na magagawa mo, matutupad mo. Yes, oo, okay. Paano maging successful? Yes. Fill your mind with knowledge. Sa free time mo, pasayahin mo naman sarili mo. At enjoy life, okay? Treat yourself, okay? Paano maging successful? Asking me that question. Ask the professionals how their life is. Paano nila narating ang goals nila at mga pangarap nila. And then never let this go, okay? Sundan mo ang liwanag. Tuparin mo ang nais ng puso mo, okay? Paano maging successful? Do the right moves. Doon ka sa tamang daan. Alamin ang totoo, truth, okay? Paano maging successful? Isipin ang word at salitang success. Magiging successful ka din, oo. Tuparin mo na lahat ng mga pangarap mo. No time to waste, okay? Paano maging successful? Paano? How? Okay. Oo, okay. Sa'yo mag-uumpisa. Try mo gumising ng mas maaga. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Okay. And then do your duties. Drink coffee, exercise. Eat salad and then yogurt, nuts, fruits. Work your way up. Doon ka sa taas. sa taas. At gawin mo lang best mo. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.